Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix error code 268 in Roblox. It is basically the unexpected client behavior in Roblox. So how can we resolve it? Let's get started. The first thing you have to do is press Window button and search for command prompt and open it. Next, in the command prompt, you need to run 3 commands here. So the first command is ipconfig/flush DNS, and then press enter. Now the second command is ipconfig/renew, and then press enter. Now the last command is netswin sock reset, and then press enter. Once you've done all, now close it and restart your PC or laptop. However, if your error is not fixed, then press Window button and search for Control Panel and open it. Now in the Control Panel, click on this option, Network and Internet. Now here, click on the first option, Network and Sharing Center. Next, select your internet source and go to its properties. Next, from these connections, select Internet Protocol version 4 and go to its properties. Now here, select this option, use the following DNS server addresses, then enter 8 here, and enter 8 4 here, and then press OK. Once you've done all, then once again restart your PC. Now if both of those methods did not work, do not worry, because it only takes about an hour for this error to go away. This error only shows up in Roblox, detects something strange from your client. So as long as you don't open up Roblox for an hour and you just take a break, this error will go away.